Hi, my name is Nathan Ike from Aerial Services, and I want to talk about where do UAS stack up versus manned aircraft in remote sensing. This is Section 3, Mapping. Mapping is the creation of simplified vector products that are used in many industries. Mapping is often done directly from ground surveys. However, airborne products are also able to produce similar or better results, but on a larger scale. Mapping includes classifying point clouds as well as generating contours and drawing points, lines, and polygons. Maps of 2D ground features can be created from accurate ortho imagery. 3D features, however, are more often created from stereophotogrammetry by triangulating points using 2 or more overlapping photos. Mapping is easier from LiDAR with even point distributions, so manned LiDAR systems generally have an advantage over unmanned. Manned photogrammetric systems also generally have an accuracy and capacity advantage over unmanned systems due to their calibrated construction and high resolution. Just like in ortho imagery, it takes less effort with few high-resolution frames as opposed to many low-resolution frames collected with UAS. Mapping selection accuracy is also influenced by GSD, and from our comparisons above, UAS may still hold an advantage in certain scenarios. To wrap this all up, UAS and manned aircraft are both legitimate platforms to conduct remote sensing. In ortho imagery, fixed-wing manned aircraft with state-of-the-art high-resolution sensors dominate the market at GSDs above roughly 5 centimeters. The processing time and accuracy over very large areas are unparalleled, but the equipment is expensive. UAS can be accurate on smaller jobs and sub-5 centimeter jobs, but it takes significantly more processing effort to ensure this quality. In 3D elevation modeling and LiDAR, manned aircraft also dominate the wide area market with their long range and high pulse repetition rate sensors. However, they can only be flown so low and so slow. Helicopter and UAS platforms do compete in this low altitude collection where high point density, more than 50 points per square meter, generally is needed. Mapping, a derivative product from photos or LiDAR, can be done with any system. The time and effort it takes to accurately map often depends upon the quality and the size of those inputs. Either system can be advantageous, and that depends upon the requirements of your project. I'm Nathan Ike, Geospatial Products Manager at Aerial Services. I'm Nathan Ike, Geospatial Products Manager at Aerial Services.